So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Geek Uninstaller. Or you could just search in your web browser for Geek Uninstaller and then go to their website. Now once you're on this, you want to click on download. The free version will be enough. You want to click on zip or 7-zips, up to you. Now that we have this, I'm going to right click on this, show in folder. And now I'm going to find this folder right here. So you want to right click on it and then click on extract all. You can untick this and then click on extract. Now it's going to appear right here. You're going to double click on this folder. And now you're going to run this. Double click on this. And then click on yes. And now once you open it up, it's going to be showing all your programs that you've installed. Now let's say that I wanted to force remove Google Chrome. You want to right click on it. And then make sure you click on force removal. Don't click on uninstall, click on force removal. And then click on yes. And now once this loads up, it's going to be showing you everything that's going to be deleted from Google Chrome, such as the registry keys and all the folders. So if you're happy with all of this, you're going to click on finish. Wait for this to load. And then click on close. And then yeah, that's how you do it. You could also restart your computer just to make sure all the changes have gone through. And then yeah, you should be good to go.